risk you should know in the UAE is.
ProConsult Advocates and Legal Consultants are your trusted legal partner in the UAE for all your legal needs.
One important legal risk you should know in the UAE is assuming you can hire, fire, or change contracts informally without strict legal procedures. Today, private sector employment on the UAE mainland is governed by Federal Decree Law 33 of 2021 and its executive regulations as amended. That framework now regulates contract terms, amendments, probation, termination, renewal, employee rights, and how labor disputes are handled. You cannot simply change an employee's salary, role, location, or work model unilaterally if it is part of the approved labor contract. Any material amendment should be agreed in writing and processed through the ministry's official systems. Informal emails or verbal understandings are rarely enough. Termination is also tightly regulated. The normal route is notice under Article 43, with a legitimate reason and a written notice period between 30 and 90 days. Dismissal without notice under Article 44 is a narrow exception. It is allowed only for specific serious misconduct set out in the law, and only after a written investigation and a formal, reasoned decision. Probation cannot exceed 6 months, and even during probation, there are minimum notice rules for both employer and employee. Continuing work after a fixed-term contract expires can, in many cases, extend the contract automatically on the same terms. The Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization now has greater powers to decide certain disputes, enforce settlements, and there are higher penalties for labor violations. Poor documentation or informal practices can create significant liability, penalties, and costly disputes. If you are an employer or employee in Dubai or anywhere in the UAE, it is wise to have your contracts, amendments, probation, and termination processes reviewed by experienced UAE labor lawyers. ProConsult advocates and legal consultants can guide you through the current law, help you manage risk, and support you in any labor dispute. For advice tailored to your situation, contact our team before issues escalate.
Over 30 years of trusted legal expertise in the UAE. Call us now